Welcome to the Urban Loop Studio. My name is Poonam Patel. Here we help you design your dream home, whether it's from the ground up or remodeling your existing home. We know how daunting this process can be, and almost everybody, asks for a retainer. I can understand how daunting it can be to engage in a process like this where there's very little knowledge around how to make a solid choice that you feel confident in. So we want to take you over to our resources tab on this website where you can download all the ebooks, where you can learn what the process is, timeline is, how to make decisions, how to choose your team, even budgeting. And also while you're here, take a look at our webinars where you can educate yourself so you can make better choices. Once you feel comfortable, you're welcome to head on over to our Inquire section of our website to schedule your complimentary consultation. We look forward to hearing from you and are excited about this first step you're taking into the journey of designing your dream home. Stay as long as you like, take a look at some of our projects, read some of our reviews. We also have a YouTube channel where you can take a look at some of our process and what we've done for other clients, as well as get a taste of our level of transparency, our competence when it comes to communicating, and obviously, most importantly, our design work. Hit the link below to schedule your complimentary consultation now, or feel free to browse around. And like I said before, we look forward to seeing you, and we're excited about this journey you're embarking on of designing your dream home. See you on the other side.